Hi, this is Danae, and for this house project you will see what I did to right a previous owner's deck DIY gone wrong. The problem with this deck enclosure is that it was not permitted and was poorly constructed. With no heat in the space, it smelled like mildew and was so cold most of the year, it was only useful for storage. Because it was right next to the dining room and kitchen, it made the entire space claustrophobic and awkward. I decided to restore the sky deck. I began taking off the walls piece by piece, pulling out a variety of screws and nails, leaving only the 4x4 supports to the roof. I forced out the window frames and recycled the windows and floating floor. Under the floating floor was a cedar deck in great shape. I stained it charcoal and sealed it with a satin clear exterior sealer by General Finishes. I bought ready-made cedar railings from Home Depot and painted everything with the timeless transparent sealer to match the garden fence. The sky deck is now a beautiful space and the highlight of the dining area. It's also more useful because we can grill out, have hot coffee in the rain showers, and watch the birds. This is Danae Goss in Seattle, Washington. Have fun being your creative self.